Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, inaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and downsides of the equation. So that way people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending upside of the equation. Today is Wednesday, November the 29th. We have CRWD, which pops up here, CrowdStrike, #1 at the top of the main dashboard on TradeAlgo.com for our users and subscribers to take advantage of. 445% increase in institutional green bullish pressure. So no surprises, the stock is up nearly 7% as a result. Speed and transparency are key here. Important to have that information before it's already jumped 7%. So our lightning fast technology is able to search through these private exchanges and see that there's a lot of institutional transactions happening at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, nearly triple what's normally there. And we're talking about some of the larger market makers, so they have much larger transactions, and they have a lot more money and liquidity to be working with. For example, typically only about $370 million of CRWD is traded by larger institutions over a previous 7-day total average. Today, $1.64 billion. So over $1 billion extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time through private exchange networks from some of the most influential market makers. Now it starts to make sense as to why it's making such a large directional move. If you had followed smart money transactions and done some call options, look at this nice list of triple-digit returns you see here. Looks like the $230 call option has the most daily volume in open interest, so typically people might have tended towards that one. If we take a look at the 5-minute chart, this is 9:35 a.m., just a minute after the technology and the AI picked it up, at its maximum, and over 400% return just today alone. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. As you can see, the market moves very quick. That's not very likely. It's about having the information down here with TradeAlgo as opposed to getting it over here and missing out on the opportunity. For example, maybe you didn't even get in the trade until almost 10:30 a.m. and then maybe you hopped out at a bad early exit and it's still a 100% return. Again, get your information and your data down here with TradeAlgo. Stop chasing it over here, which is when people usually get it. Now, it wasn't just CRWD, which, by the way, congratulations to people who were sharing success stories with us saying, hey, I did the CRWD $227.50 call option. They made a nice 100% return on it. Remember, it moved 400%. 100% is still great. That's fantastic. Congratulations to our user who sent this into our success story group chat today. Now, it wasn't just CRWD. There were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to look through a ton of them, so let's just take a look at maybe one or two more. We have SCHW with a 300% increase in institutional bullish volume. That one jumps nearly 7% as a result. We see it being identified also at 9:34 a.m. Eastern Standard Time with more than double the average amount of bullish pressure that's normally seen there. If we go to SCHW, we can scroll down and see a nice list of triple and actually even quadruple digit returns in this case. Let's say, for example, that you had done the $59 call option. We're going to take a look at the 5-minute chart again because we know our AI picked it up at 9:34. This is the 9:35 candle. Options were about 10 cents, so it's maximum over a 1,000% return. But again, imagine just getting 150% right there, or 100% right here, or 300% right here, or even 60 or 70% right here. That would still be an A+ thumbs up day. To go ahead and finish off today, Wednesday, November the 29th, let's switch over to the trending downside of the equation, and let's go ahead and take a look at BILI. So we're on the red side of the board, 648% increase in red bearish volume. Stock ends up dropping almost 8% as a result. If we go to our trending down section at TradeAlgo.com, again, all available to our users and subscribers, you can see that BILI was identified in the pre-market with 1.78 times the bearish volume at 8:14 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you had done put options on BILI following smart money transactions, go to list of triple-digit returns there as well. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.